Let me take a look over the camera performance, and you actually have access to a lot of other settings, including the size of the photos, which is going to be maximum 8 megapixel. It is 4:3 aspect ratio, not 16:9. In case you would like to capture 16:9 aspect ratio photos, it will only be 2.1 megapixel, as it has an 8 megapixel camera at the back. When it comes to the viewfinder, you can always have the viewfinder to be full screen or a small box as well. You also have zero shutter lag, so that you can actually have a better low light quality when it comes to the photos. We do have the options over there for the video. So size of the video which you can record from this device is going to be 1080p, or you can record the video at 720p as well when it comes to high definition video. And you do have support for recording the slow motion video as well at 60 fps as well as at 60 fps as well as at 120 fps. And this is the codec which you can actually change. You can also record time-lapse videos as well on this device. You can change the internal storage. You can also use the power shutter. So in case the power button, you press the power button, you can actually take the photos. You can do that with the volume buttons as well. Right now the volume buttons can be used to zoom in and zoom out, and also you have left-handed controls as well, so that you can actually take photos better with left hand. So you can actually adjust that in case you would like to do it. So once you do it and you come back, you can see the camera shutter key and all the controls will be moved towards the left as compared to the right, which is the default orientation. And all these things you can do on this device. And you also have the option of set the brightness to the maximum, so that in case you are taking photos in low light, you can see things clear and you focus the camera properly. This is a very good thing, I would say, they have done. And when it comes to some more options, you can toggle to the front camera anytime by tapping here, and over here this is the multitasking key, so you don't need to do anything like that. You cannot hide this thing as of now on this panel. So there is no option to hide these buttons, because these are the only buttons as far as navigation buttons are concerned. But you can always change the layout of these in case you would like to do that. We will take a selfie right now in this low light situation, and let me just take the selfie without these light as well, so that I can show you the actual clarity of any selfie which you will take in low light or in artificial light. And let me just test the rear camera as well on this device. So we have an action figure over there. Let me just take a photo of this Superman. Again, you have to be very stable in order to take a very good photo. Let me just disable the flash. So you need to be stable on the device front, unless the photo will have some blurring, and you can only get rid of that once you hold the device stable on Yuphoria. Okay, we have taken all these photos. Let me just show you all of these photos one by one. So this is the photo which we have just taken without light. As you can see, this photo is looking good in terms of colors, in terms of details. It is not that impressive, but the other one which has lights on, this is looking better in terms of details. In terms of colors, it is also looking good, and you can compare it with the original subject over there. When it comes to the other photo which we have taken, this is the one which we have taken with flash. So it is good, I would say, not bad, but it is not very bright, and it has a yellow tone to it. And this is the front camera selfie without light. So this is without artificial light. I would say still it is performing pretty good as far as the front camera is concerned. The 5 megapixel front camera is doing a pretty good job. And then you have the other photo. This has been taken with light, and this is looking good as well. This is looking slightly better. So in light you will have better photo as far as front camera is concerned. Let me just take a look over the other photo which we have taken. This is another photo of our office, and it is again looking good in terms of colors.